Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to add different languages in your Windows 11 operating system. Firstly, for that, head into the settings. So just right click in the Windows icon and go to the settings. So it is a second startup menu, and after go to the settings, so here is the option time and language at the left side. Just tap on that, and here is the option language and region. Just click on that, and then here is the preferred languages. So I have already included the English United States and then Tamil India language. So here is the option Windows display language. So you can tap that. If you are actually selected, this means so the language is actually switched to the Tamil language for the whole desktop settings. So like all the settings option will actually changes to the other language. So for that you have to sign out and then again sign in, then only the changes will be actually happens. So okay, then in case if you want to add additional language, means here is the option add a language. Just click on that. Now you'll get a different languages. So here is a more list of languages. So just here you can just search. So for example, now I want to add Hindi, means just I am typing Hindi. So here is a Hindi. So after clicking and click on the next, now here is options, optional languages, features, languages pack, text to speech. So set as my Windows display language. So once you have set it, so all the settings in the display and all the settings option will be changed to the Hindi language. So I just want just the language pack, so just installed. So now the Hindi language is actually installing. Now it's almost completed. So the Hindi language is currently installed. So you can go to the language options is here. So here is a language pack, basic typing, so and then handwriting speech is installed. So in case if you want to type in Hindi, means so for that you have to just go to this quick settings. So here is all the quick settings will be available, and here just click on this pen icon, and after that click on the add, and here is a keyboard layout. Just tap on this, and that's it, and click on the done. And here actually and again clicking on the quick setting, here is now the keyboard layout. So just tap on that. So now here is a totally 3 languages installed: Tamil, Hindi, and then English. So if you want to type in Hindi, means just click on the Hindi. I have just opened the Word document, and after now typing, so it is fully comes in Hindi language. So I don't know Hindi, so I'm just clicking on some of the words. And in case if you want to type in English, means so again you can click on the English, and then you can just type in so this is the thing. So it's a very easy, and there is also a keyboard shortcut. So by just press and holding the Windows key, and then clicking on, you have to press and hold the Windows key, and then just click on the space bar. So here is the keyboard layout. Actually you don't leave the Windows key, so you have to continuously press the Windows key and just press the space bar key one by one, so that it actually switches to the different languages. So English, Tamil, Hindi. So in case if I want to enter in Tamil, means just place in the Tamil language and release the Windows key, and that's it. Now I can able to type in the Tamil language. So here's the one of the easiest way you can able to add your language, and you can easily type in the different languages using this keyboard layout shortcut in the keyboards. Overall, that's all about this video, guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video, guys.